What's going on, YouTube? It's Blood, Sweat, and Gears 87. I'm out here in the swamp, just doing a little duck hunting. Just out here trying to get some wood ducks. That's the only thing I ever really see out here are woodies. And so far, I got one. It's a beautiful bird. I only got one today. I saw several, but I only got one. But I think I'm gonna take them home and see if I can't get them cleaned up. I've never actually cleaned one. I've only tried two ever. The first one I took to the taxidermist, and he said he couldn't save the meat for me. So this one I'm gonna keep and see if I can't clean them myself. I'm gonna go home and pluck them, see how that goes. I'll probably do a couple videos when I get home, trying to figure that out. All right, hold on. I'm gonna flip them over so you guys can get a better look at them. Give me a second. All right, here we go. It's a beautiful wood duck. It's a drake. And it is December 31st, 2016. It's pretty cold out here today. I had to check and see, but I believe it was in the 30s. The upper 30s when I came out here. It's probably in the low 40s now. But it's a perfect day to get out here and do a little duck hunting. I'm gonna take this guy home, see if I can't clean him up, and try to get him ready to cook. It's gonna be my first time trying wild duck, so I'm really interested to see how it goes. All right, let me get out of here. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I wanted to show you guys this too. This is what I'm hunting with. It's a Mossberg 500. It's a pump shotgun. I like it. It gets the job done. And I recently, well, this is the first time I've ever used the heavy steel shells by Heavy Shot. I went duck hunting a few times using the Winchester Expert shells with this shotgun, and I didn't like the way it was turning out. It could have been just error on my part while I was missing, but when I went to pattern the shells, it seemed like they never patterned the same every time I shot. So I switched to the heavy steel, and it seems like it's working. I like it better. I like it a lot better already. But I just wanted to show you guys this, the heavy steel and Mossberg 500 I'm hunting with. I'm gonna attempt to pluck them. This is the first time I've ever done this, so it's probably gonna take me a long time, but I'm about to see if I can figure it out. I was gonna pluck it right here, but it's way windier than I thought it was gonna be. So I'm gonna go and move some of this stuff down to the garage where it's not so windy, and then I'm gonna attempt to pluck them there. Alright, I have my wood duck here, and I moved to the garage so it'll be a little less windy. I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to pluck them, and I've never done this before, so it's probably gonna take me a while, and I gotta, just try to figure out how to do it because I've never done this before. So let's check it out and see how this goes. It's probably gonna take me quite a while. But, all right, here we go. Alright, making a little progress. Still have a ways to go, but this is little progress. Got most of the feathers off the front and back of the duck, and I was working on just pulling the feathers out of the wing, but I think I'm gonna end up having to cut the wing off anyway. So we'll see how that goes, but I think I'm gonna end up having to cut the wings off. So I'm not sure if I should pluck them or just cut them off. But I think we're about halfway there. Still working on them. Still working on pulling these feathers out. And these are the hardest ones to get out. The big feathers on the wings. These feathers are like really hard to get out. The ones on the breast and the back, they were pretty easy. I just pulled them out going against the grain. And they all came out pretty easily. I still have a lot of down feathers I have to get off of here too. But the tail feathers, they were pretty easy. They you don't go against the grain, you just pull those out, but they came out pretty easily. So yeah, we're about halfway there. All right, I have the wings off now, and I think I'm about to take the legs off and then take the head off. I still have a lot of these little small down feathers I'm gonna have to work on. I guess I might work on those later. If you guys know any tips to get those tiny down feathers off, leave them in the comments, let me know. I hear a lot about paraffin wax, but I don't have any right now, so if you have any other tips, let me know. I hear the paraffin wax is the best way to go, but I currently don't have any, so I'm trying to figure what I might try. I see some people use lighters, like a small lighter, and they'll just torch those down feathers off, so it might be one thing I'll try, but let me go ahead and cut these legs off right quick. Do it so you guys can see it. Here. With the head, I think I'm gonna come a little bit up on the neck until I see how we're gonna do this. Come pretty far up. Let's see if you guys can see it. It's starting more and more to look like a bird out the store. I'm gonna work on gutting them. And this is what the final product looks like. It looks damn good to me. This is my first time ever cleaning one, so I'm proud of the way it turned out. It looks really nice. I cut the tail off and then took 2 fingers and went in there and just pulled everything out that I could get to. But it looked like it turned out really, really good. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna roast them or how I'm gonna cook them. Gotta figure that out. Yeah, here it is. It's a wood duck that I got this morning. And cleaned them up. And now it looks like he came out the store. Looks like the chickens or the turkeys you would find in the store. You can see where the shot hit him. Turned out pretty good. I can't wait to see how it tastes. Let me zoom in for you guys. It's a wood duck from this morning. This is my first time doing this, but it turns out really nice. So I'm gonna go take them in the house, and I think I'm gonna let them dry age. Probably let them sit in the fridge for 5 or 6 days, and I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna cook them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna roast them or what we're gonna do, but till next time, it's Blood, Sweat, and Gears 87 signing out.